This is the fascinating process behind the more than 6 billion pounds of spaghetti consumed by Americans each year. This large-scale production line of spaghetti blends tradition with modern technology. Durum wheat, known for its high protein content and gluten strength, is the preferred choice for pasta production. Upon arrival, the wheat is stored in large silos, where it undergoes initial cleaning to remove impurities such as stones, dirt, and other foreign materials. The conditioned wheat is then transferred to the milling section, where it is ground into semolina, the coarse flour used for making pasta. The milling process involves a series of rollers and sifters that progressively crush the wheat grains and separate the bran from the endosperm. Modern milling machinery is highly automated, capable of adjusting the grinding pressure and sifting speed to produce uniformly fine semolina. The semolina is then subjected to a final purification process, ensuring it is free from any residual bran particles. Once the semolina is ready, it is conveyed to the mixing area, where it is combined with water and eggs to form dough. Industrial mixers, capable of handling several tons of semolina at a time, mix the ingredients thoroughly. The ratio of water to semolina is carefully controlled to achieve the desired dough consistency, which is crucial for the extrusion process. Some factories may also add small amounts of vitamins and minerals to enrich the pasta. Extruding dough into large sheets before shaping it into spaghetti offers several advantages, crucial for ensuring quality and consistency. This process helps achieve a uniform distribution of moisture and ingredients, reduces air bubbles, and makes the dough easier to handle and process in an automated environment. The large sheets allow for precise control during subsequent shaping, ensuring the dough is at the optimal thickness and consistency before being extruded through dies to create spaghetti strands. These extruders are equipped with dies, which are metal plates with numerous holes through which the dough is forced to create long, thin strands of spaghetti. The choice of die material and design is critical, as it affects the texture and cooking properties of the final product. In modern factories, extruders are highly automated, with sensors and control systems, ensuring the dough is extruded at the optimal pressure and temperature. The spaghetti is carefully transported throughout the factory, using specialized hanging stands. These stands, often part of an automated conveyor system, are designed to support the delicate spaghetti strands as they move through various stages of production. The spaghetti hangs from rods or hooks on these stands, which travel along a network of tracks. This method minimizes breakage and maintains the integrity of the long strands. As the spaghetti moves through the factory, it passes through drying chambers, where it undergoes controlled drying processes. The hanging method allows for even airflow around each strand, ensuring uniform drying. The spaghetti is cut to the desired length using automated cutting machines. The cutting process is precise, ensuring uniformity in length, which is essential for both aesthetic appeal and packaging efficiency. The spaghetti is then transported to the packaging area, where advanced automated machinery takes over. These machines are equipped with conveyors and sensors that work in harmony to bundle the spaghetti into predetermined portions. First, the spaghetti is aligned and grouped into specific weights or quantities. The system carefully handles the delicate strands to prevent breakage. The grouped portions are then fed into packaging units, where they are enveloped in either plastic or cardboard materials. The packaging materials are typically fed from large rolls or stacks, and machines precisely cut and seal them around the spaghetti portions. Labeling machines apply labels to each package, including essential product information such as weight, nutritional content, and expiration dates. These labels are printed in real time to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulatory standards. The packages are then conveyed to automated boxing stations, where they are placed into larger cartons for shipping. The cartons are labeled for distribution and stacked onto pallets by robotic palletizers, which are then ready for transportation to retailers or warehouses. The large-scale production of spaghetti seamlessly combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. The automated approach meets high demand while maintaining the integrity, texture, and taste of the product, ensuring that every strand of spaghetti upholds the quality standards expected by consumers worldwide.